Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express, first one of 2026. It's only going to be a short one because there's only me, Shannon and Bubbles this week. So, we're having a crazy heat wave here at the moment. So, actually in the little paint studio that I'm in, it's about 50 odd degrees Celsius. So, all my paints are really thin and runny at the moment. So I'm just going to have a bit of a play. And hopefully I might pull something off. Alrighty. Here's some tunes. Kick back, relax, and I'll see you at the end.
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. Cause I wanna breathe when you breathe. I wanna hear your heartbeat. Don't need the space in between. I think you know what I'm feeling. I want your body on mine.
You used to. Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. And I know all the feelings that we shared are in the past. And I know your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. Times are tough, but I'm not moving on.
can I be? But I want it so. Why am I so into it when I know you and I is a physical thing we don't talk about? We just hide under the covers. I feel you closer. I want you to make me get lost in my body, lucid in my mind. Lie to me, tell me I'm yours tonight, and make me feel like I'm the one to lie, like I'm the one tonight. When you call me up, I want more, but no, we shouldn't do it. My, oh my, how you make me feel like I'm so alive. I can't find the thrill it gives me. I feel you closer. I want you to make me get lost in my body, lucid in my mind. Lie to me, tell me I'm yours tonight, and make me feel like I'm the one to lie, like I'm the one tonight.
We've been hiding in the shadows, we've been biding our time. We've been running from the devil, just trying to make it out alive. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Feel it rising up within us, getting stronger now. No one left to avenge us, but we will never back down. We don't have to run, be afraid no more. When the thunder comes, we won't fear the storm. Can you hear the drums beating louder than before? This means war, feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war, this means war. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Like stars from the sky. Oh, can you hear us calling? Oh, this is a battle cry. This means war. Feel it raging inside. We don't run from the battle, we run straight to the fight. This means war. This means war. This means war. This means war.
So night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood. It's in my blood. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching.
There's something about this town, something just beneath the surface. Maybe it's something in the air, or something in the water. Something's in the water. Something about this town, it's ominous and haunting. It's lurking out of sight, know we was there unless you knew what you're looking for. Something's in the water.
Alrighty, we'll do a flyover of that one. One of the colours I was using, it was the Southern Ocean blue that's got the interference green in it, was a little bit thin and it sort of smudged a bit. But, you know, these are things you got to put up with when it's like 50 odd degrees in here at the moment. So that's Celsius too. We're in the middle of a heat wave, so yeah, I'm a cooking. Anywho, alright, up next we've got Shannon from Shambi Fluid Art. If you're in the live chat, click on the link that I put in there, or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you see everyone and you don't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me, so have fun, take care, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Something's in the water.